Hi everyone, I'm happy to launch this video to you. It's very uh, very excellent when I have the news that the road size in Siem Reap has nearly done 60, almost 65% complete. Very happy to be in the Kingdom of Cambodia to have a testimony of the infrastructure developed, and it's a very good news for all Cambodians because I hope and I do strongly believe that the big trends in the kingdom, the construction material here moving awesome. Looking this, I feel like I am back to the childhood with the choice of the vehicles, different kinds of this and moving. I think this is a very, how do you say, exciting. We are just how do you say, bigger children. I mean that everything we are doing some with others. It's a very nice term. For Cambodia's lovers, I think that's later. After the COVID-19, you will experience the different Cambodia image. And here you can see that everything has been moving up, keep moving forward too. Not only for Cambodia. So blessings am I. So that when I have the blessing in life, I want to share together with all of you guys. Because as we are human beings, not saying true or unreal, because as human beings are humans. So I think that we live together, doing together contribution of beauty for the trees. Here you are on Ajasma Street, the big tree lies here. Many material construction here. Okay, let's see how the world's gonna take the stroll, brandy stroll. Awesome. Loving this. One of the things I really admire that the ladies command because they work like a man works as well. I'm very, how do I say, I'm very naturally, how to say, optimistic, but I just think that in the optimistic opinion, I think that ladies or men, they have the work to make money, to earn some for food, for life. That is very good because you know that Cambodia is still a not yet developed country, so I think that is very hard for people, especially this time. And I'm happy because these people can have the good business or just keeping balances and giving jobs opportunities for Cambodians. And I trust in the younger Khmer people as well. Awesome! So you know how people to move the cargoes already here for the construction. Everything's working in silently, you know that, and later you will understand how is the viral Cambodia. So I highly recommend people want to be an aspirant in Cambodia. I must think you need to think about it simply because it's really awesome, good atmosphere too. The weather now is 25 Celsius degree. And how you was the latest Siem Reap 10 July 2021 already? I want to jump there to see how they work with it. Follow me a bit, I will show you in a moment. The construction material. I'm happy because there's people here doing for the barrel rainies. So admire of the Khmer people. Yeah, just so. I'm tired. So awesome. Happy for Cambodia. Too happy. But a little bit broken for the tree branch, you know. I'm on the riverside banks, very cool weather, a good atmosphere. Maybe once more time, childhood once more time. Oh, so sad for the branch of the trees. Oh. Sometimes we have to be broken. Okay, so before I end this video, I will show you why most of they will take the rainless materials construct for the Siem Reap. Is happy because the Siem Reap process has been nearly 65% is done completely, so I hope that very good time for Siem Reap. It's not only for Siem Reap city, province because it's Cambodia's, the government has given the improve most of the countries, the main roads, so that you can see people doing together. How awesome! Not only because I am back to the childhood with the toys, the car toys, but also exciting because I feel like this country will be very developed in Southeast Asia too. I love Indochina. Here you are. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe and wait for my next video. What's going on in my channel? On my channel. Maybe also I know that I cannot do very good either for my videos, but I think that my energy transformed to all of you are perfect. Thank you so much. Ở Cambodia. Wait to see you.